Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use DGET function in Excel. So I have created this table over here. As you can see in this, there is row ID, city, state, region, postal code, revenue, quantity and profit is there. So we will calculate the quantity and profit out of row ID by using DGET function. To use DGET function, first of all we will type equal to DG ET, or you can only press DG and press tab, and here it is asking me to select the database, so I'll select the database like this. I will freeze this by pressing F and F4 here like this, comma. Now it is asking me field, so I'll select the field revenue like this. I will press comma, and it is asking me criteria, so in the criteria will be row ID, so I will select the row ID and the ID and press F and F4. I will freeze this also and press enter. Now you can see for 8653 the revenue is 2.368, and if I click here to calculate the profit, I will again press equal to DGET DG, press tab. I will again select the database like this. I will freeze this by pressing F and F4 and press comma. I will provide the field profit and press comma and give the criteria, again row ID and the ID, and freeze this also by pressing F and F4 and press enter. Now you can see for 8653 the revenue is 2.368 here you can see, and the profit is 0.8288, and if I change from here 4270, now you can see the revenue is 2.688 and the profit is 1.088, and if I change to 9971, so the profit is 377.97 and the revenue is 377.97 and the profit is 109.6113. So this is the way you can use DGET function in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.